What's going on, you guys? This is SpongeBob, Sky, New York Rangers, and JetBlue Fanatics 2016 here. And today is Wednesday, March 21st, 2018, and today is the first day of spring. And I have to show you guys something outside. It's a snowstorm outside on the first day of spring. This happened like 2 years ago on the first day of spring, but it was at night. And this is 2 years later, and we got dismissed early from school today because of this. And it's gonna get much worse later on. The last time it happened 2 years ago in 2016, it was like on a Sunday night on the first day of spring. So, hey, the first day of spring and it's a snowstorm. I guess that's it. Bye. This is 2 years later, after 2016. Bye.